Hi there guys, this is Mind of Technology and Vlogs signing into the today's video. Today in this video let us talk about the fantastic magnet's build quality. As you all know, Magnet has got 4 stars in its Asian NCAP crash test. This video is just for illustration purpose, so I am using a movie clip in order to show you how the accident had occurred. Please don't give me copyright strikes. Assume the parked car as the magnet. As you saw in this video, in the same way a magnet which was parked has been hit by a truck from its backside at a speed of 60 to 70 km per hour. Luckily there were no passengers in the magnet sitting inside the car. I will show you the photos of the magnet. It was badly damaged at the back. The car went under the total cost, so no worries about it. As you can see in these photos, the backside of the magnet has been crushed. If there were passengers in the back, they might not have survived. On the front, the magnet is untouched. It is damaged but up to very little extent, so the airbox of the magnet did not open. The truck driver had hit another car along with the magnet. As I said it before guys, the back part of the magnet has been completely damaged. According to me, considering the speed of the truck, the magnet has good build quality. It had done its job up to great extent, but if there were passengers on the back seat, they might have not survived because it is a serious damage. Considering the speed, the magnet's build quality is perfect. Do comment what you think about the magnet's build quality. This incident can really tell you the build quality of the magnet. The owner was surprised about the magnet's build quality and he wanted to buy the Nissan Magnet again as his next vehicle. Not only this incident speaks about the magnet's build quality guys, here are some other incidents taken from other channels. These are the photos which can really tell you the magnet's build quality. As you saw, no one till now has lost their lives due to magnet accidents. That's the amount of build quality that the magnet has. Considering all the accidents, the final verdict from my side is the magnet's build quality is just superb. It's just superb. Then only Asian NCAP will give the 4 stars rating to it. For them who don't know why magnet has lost 1 star, it is due to the lack of proper protection for the driver's chest. Nissan could have improved it to get 5-star rating. Wait, video did not end. There is the next part which will speak about the real experience of my magnet. You heard it right, I too had a small accident with my magnet. I gonna share my experience with you about the magnet's build quality. One day while I'm traveling in the car, I was eager to take the left turn. There was a couple traveling in the bike at the speed of 40 to 50 km per hour. They did not notice my vehicle. I too did not notice them as they were in my blind spot. As a result, they collided with my car's left front fender. As you can see, they have given me a minor dent. Luckily, no one were injured. A small scratch did not happen to anyone. As you can see it guys, the crash had occurred at 50 km per hour. The headlight of the bike had been broken. This can tell you about the magnet's build quality. The final verdict from my side is the magnet build quality is just amazing. Magnet can even save more further lives. So please buy a car with above 4 stars or a 4 stars vehicle. Don't buy other cars which are available in the market like Baleno, Swift, Granite and Neos and many other cars which had only scored 2 stars rating. In situations like this, in accidents like this, they might have killed you instead of saving you. So please buy cars with good safety. Whether you buy magnet or not, it will not be important for me. Please skip the vehicles which have cheap build quality. So final verdict is, please buy strong cars which are worthy enough to save your lives. Please wear seat belt and helmet, drive safely, and please don't overspeed guys. Start early, drive slowly, reach safely. That's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more related videos about the magnet.